Tell them about Toyota Prius. Huh? Okay, it's working. Okay, this one we have to open it. This cell is bad. Then we put a new replacement one in, huh? Positive here. Okay, I mark already the bad one.
Prius battery.
This one.
Shit's crazy, right?
This one. We went to Toyota. They wanted $3,500. I buy this one from eBay, $39 plus $10 shipping, and labor. We charge them $75. Boom, ready to go. You don't have to change your whole battery. This is battery. Okay, I do with broken foot. See that? It's this 45-minute job. You have to take everything out. You unplug this. Easy, simple. You have to be careful about the power from here, positive, negative on same color, or you don't make a mistake. Marker for left and right with marker, and the high voltage, each one 7.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 cells you have it. And then each one 7.5 volt. This one was 6.5, so this is bad. Okay, run your car and the battery and check the engine light is coming on, and check the engine lights coming on, then square sign they coming on, and service light they coming on. You must change your battery. If you have money, change your whole thing. You don't have money, change your whatever, which one is the best is it? And call 704-562-1968. Any information you want, I can give you. I love help. I will help you guys. It's simple, easy to change it. Don't be afraid. Don't pay a lot of money to mechanic or whatever is it. You can do your own. Make sense? Yes. See, I asked the question and I answered it. Okay, I take the screw out. Oh, come on, they have a connection. They have to have, take out the screw. Done. This piece out. Another one. I have to take